What's a collocation? A collocation is a collection of two or more words that are commonly used together. The words co and location imply together and place. Words that are grouped together and are referred to as collocations. Collocations can help English learners improve their fluency since they are words that frequently occur together. Collocations with do. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Do the dishes. Do the dishes. Do the ironing. Do the ironing. Do the cleaning. Do the cleaning. Do the chores. Do the chores. Do good. Do good. Do exercises. Do exercises. Do work. Do work. Do research. Do research. Do your hair. Do your hair. Collocations with have. Have a dream. Have a dream. Have fun. Have fun. Have dinner. Have dinner. Have a meeting. Have a meeting. Have a snack. Have a snack. Have a haircut. Have a haircut. Have an argument. Have an argument. Have a fight. Have a fight. Have a walk. Have a walk. Have a cold. Have a cold. Have a class. Have a class. Have a break. Have a break. Have a minute. Have a minute. Have a second. Have a second. Have a moment. Have a moment. Collocations with take. Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a seat. Take a seat. Take time. Take time. Take a shower. Take a shower. Take a look. Take a look. Take a bite. Take a bite. Take care. Take care. Take notes. Take notes. Take a decision. Take a decision. Collocations with keep. Keep a promise. Keep a promise. Keep going. Keep going. Keep the books. Keep the books. Keep a secret. Keep a secret. Keep a note. Keep a note. Keep control. Keep control. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep in mind. Keep in mind. Keep the records. Keep the records. Keep score. Keep score. Collocations with pay. Pay attention. Pay attention. Pay the bill. Pay the bill. Pay well. Pay well. Pay by cash. Pay by cash. Pay a compliment. Pay a compliment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our Instagram.